So next in our series, Manychat in 2 minutes, the question, is Manychat inauthentic? It's a fair question to ask as it involves the use of automation and chatbots to represent you. And what I say next may surprise you coming from Mr. Automate This and Automate That himself. But yes, Manychat is or can be inauthentic. How can I say otherwise? It's literally not you responding to DMs. But although I classify it as inauthentic because that's what it is, it doesn't mean that should negate all the good or potential it has. It's just as inauthentic as you may consider a voicemail message you record, or that Instagram post you may have scheduled, or the pre-existing resume template you may have used. None are essentially you or were developed from you initially, but they come from you in its current form, and that is what is important. My main concern of inauthenticity with Manychat is when creators pretend that the automation is actually them in real time, when it's clearly not. Today's audience, including your own followers, are smart enough to know when they're speaking to someone real via DM or a chatbot. Instead of faking it, be upfront and candid with your audience. Let them know it's your chatbot they're speaking with. Feel free to even give your chatbot a name and personality to help ease your contacts. Be authentic with your use of automation and your audience will respect that. By the way, since you're interested in Manychat, I have something I know you're going to love, and it's free. Check out my 3-in-1 Manychat freebie that'll help you improve your current Manychat setup and increase your conversions. You'll get access to 50 suggested keywords that are proven to be used more with less incidental DM triggers. No more apologizing for messages your chatbot accidentally sent. And how about 100 call to action specifically focused to entice more viewers to comment those suggested keywords and receive your automated messages? Last, a few effective strategies and tips that'll provide deeper insight on how to make your Manychat automations better for you and your leads. To get the 3-in-1 Manychat freebie, you can do one of the following. 1. Scan this QR code on the screen. Or 2. Visit the link on my YouTube channel to get access to everything I listed. This is your opportunity to begin working smarter, not harder with Manychat and DM automation. Get your freebie now.